Hello everyone, good afternoon everyone. For today's tutorial, we will going to make a pattern for a draped skirt, something like this one. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? Oh yes. Okay, before that, so we're going to draw using our basic block skirt. Okay, let's start. Let's trace first our base. Uy, ginoo. Yeah, ha? Maingay ka. Hindi mo sinabi sa akin. So the length of this skirt is supposed to be 30. So you draw 30 for the length. This is below the knee. Below the knee. Okay. Ahem, 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 ahem. This is the dart. The dart. So happy together. So here. So we already have our draft. Okay. Okay, here on the front, on the center front, we have to draw a line from center front to the side seam. Wait, from center front to the side seam. Okay, so I have to draw a line first. So this is for the we will draw a back. Oh my god, it's blocked. Front and draw a line. Alright, go. Draw a line first. How many lines? 5 lines. Okay. 2 centimeter. Okay, let's make this. Okay. 4 centimeter. 4, 8, 12. And here is 2 centimeter each. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so let's connect the line. Connect the line. Connect the line. How many line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. That's it. This is for the front. Okay. Cut. Da dee da 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 da. You have been cold. I already have the back, the front, and this is the back. So for the front, we need to close the dart. To close the dart, let's open this first. Let's cut this first. Yeah, why not cut? Cut. Whoop. Ano lang? Naglaho na at ikaw ang iyong kahanaan. Ako'y masyadong nasaktan kahit nasa luha. Yeah, I think I need to cut this one. Let's see. Ayaw ko nang tumingin. Yeah, let's just cut to make sure. Buhay, tuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Kung ako'y nasa ilalim, Sana bukas na sa ibabaw naman. Kulong ng buhay, tuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Okay, so, nag-close na ko ang dart. And continue, continue cutting without cutting the seam. Shut up, GR, shut up. So then, spread it by 1.5 to 3 centimeter. I mean 2 centimeter. I need a paper. Yeah. Spread it by 1.5 to 3 centimeter. La 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 la. Okay, so let's spread it. Spread by 1.5 or 2 centimeter. Wait a minute. Being mainit. Okay, so let's tape. I-tape muna. Tape this one here so it won't move. Okay, this part. Then you measure. Well, let's put 2 centimeter. If that's too big for you, make it. You can make it 1.5. Okay, something like that. So this is your new front, and redraw. You have to redraw it. Redraw. Wait, I'm gonna use my pencil. Where's my pencil? Here's my pencil. Hold on. Okay. Draw it like this. Let's finish tracing. Let's finish tracing our new front. Install. Patulak ko diha. And I have to cut that. I need to transfer this because we have to measure also here, because we're going to make a gather here on the front by 6 cm double. So I need to transfer this. Or I can add paper here. Okay, let's add some paper. Hold. Let's just add the paper on the side. Why? Okay. Ay, nakuha naman. So here, I have already transferred the front. Okay, for the front. Okay, so I need this. I need the length for the front. The length. So this is the length. So I need to draw straight line here because we're going to make the center front. Yeah, just a straight line, you know. Just the to get the length. Okay, from here. Hold on, I'm just gonna get the length, this exact length. Am I correct? Is this correct? Okay, so we measure 6 to 10 cm here. 6 to 10 cm. So what? So yeah, let's make it 6 to 10, or let's make it 8. Okay, 6 to 10 cm. 8, 8, and double. You have to double the size. Is this straight? It should be straight. Okay, hold on. So this is your front. And we need to double the size of this one because this part here will be gathered. So let's add 8 again. This will be for the right side. Right side of the skirt. So where's the 8? So here's the 8. So now this is your front. Okay. GR, pagilit og tubig. Hoy, pagilit og tubig. So this will be your front. And for the left side, sorry. For the left side, you need to cut only this part. Okay? For the left side of the skirt, you will have to cut this part only. So this is our front now. Finish. Cut na. I will show you also how to sew this one. Only for the front, okay? Only for the front. For the left side will be your slit, or slit. What happened? Okay. Cut. So you already have your front skirt, and you will fold this one when sewing, and connect this line here, this side here, this seam to the other part of the skirt, and you determine the slit because the skirt has a slit. So maybe here. Just measure the slit from waistline to your desired length. Okay, for the back, you just need to add a dart. That's all. You know, there's no problem for the back. So for the waistline, you will have to cut a facing. Yeah, facing. Just cut a facing. Yeah, just get the center. Oh my god! For the back back dart, I'm using 4 to 5 centimeter. Yeah, but 4 is fine. I think I got a cold. I got a allergy. Shh. Ayaw saba. So this is your back. Here's your back.